So now if you scrub the timeline, it should play like something like this. Now what we're gonna do is we'll add a tie flow. We'll open the tie editor. The starting process will do similar as the last what we did for the last scenario. Mm. We'll choose birth object operator and we'll pick this one as our birth object. And now if we click and hide this and change the display to geometry, you can see Tyflow is giving birth to particles uh, inside the object. Now what we're gonna do is we'll add a uh, brick fracture operator to, sorry, we're gonna add brick fracture, yeah, brick fracture operator under the birth operator. Make sure it is enabled. But now what we want to achieve is this entire model to fracture in small pieces. So mm, what we want to achieve is the smallest pieces we can fracture this model into, so it will give us greater detail. So what I'm gonna do now is put length to 1 and offset to 0, again width to 1, sorry, variation 0, width 1, again offset 0, and height to 1. And we'll select the mortar, uh, and which mortar will allow us to have some additional details in the animation. And in the slices we'll select the override cap and change the ID to 2. It will help us to um, denote distinguished materials while rendering. Now what we want to do is we'll put a scale operator under the brick fracture. But before that, we'll change the object properties of this orange box. Go to object properties and we'll select the edges only, and we'll make it non-renderable. Okay. Oh, yeah. So now back to scale. We'll make it absolute and we'll make it 0. So now you can see the scale of the object is uh, 0, so we can't see anything. Now what we'll do is we want this object to reveal again, so we'll put a test, maybe surface test, and we'll add another event with the scale operator over here, and we'll change this again to the absolute, and we'll keep this as 100, and we'll join these two, and we'll change the display to geometry. Now if you scrub the timeline, you can see as the box go up higher, the our basic original model will appear again.